Hello everyone, welcome to Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a unboxing Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Later on there will also come some review for this lovely band. Come and have a look on this. Here we go. We got this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Have a look on first on the box. On the side we got a massive 1.64 inch AMOLED display. It support always running course. There is about 170 sports mode. It's also got in built-in GNSS, which means support global position. Yeah, it's working, and it's got a magnetic charging. Support 150 plus watch faces, sleep monitoring all day, SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, ultra long battery life, and 5 ATM water resistant. That's all inside, and yeah, it's lovely. And on back side, as you can see, is a Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, black color. It's actually the global version. Production date is just December 2022. You also can see that here, and it's support from Android 6 and iOS 10 and more. Contents inside the packaging is the content band, including the strap, charging cable and user manual. Nothing else. Okay, have a look. Let's go unboxing. That's it. The manual, band, cable. Manual is on a lot of language. Okay, that's the manual. And have a look on this one. That's the charging cable. Xiaomi. This is magnetic line, and you can use any USB charger. Charge this band with this cable from any charger. It should be about 1 hour to full charge. And last step, is the band itself. As you can see, it's lovely strap. Sorry how it looks like. I actually opened before and test a couple of days. This like just quick show you, and because I already set up, and you can see I already used 1 week and still got a 45% battery life. I charged last time on Sunday, and today is a Sunday as well. It's a 45%. That means should be at least another 5 to 7 days, maybe, depends on the views. And that actually it is. The charging is like this, just plug in, that's it. You cannot plug in opposite way, that's can't allow. You can see it's not possible to plug in on opposite way, just like this way. If you need to change the straps, I already bought the 3 different straps. How to replace? You just push this button on top, down, and just slide out, and it's easy. You just plug in back. Okay, have a look on watch quickly. This is not a big review, just want to show you what's inside. If you want to change the display, you just push it and you can change to which one you like it. I already pair with this one because I like it. There is there is about 150 watch face. That's mean it's really customizable. You can even put your own photo or whatever. It's really up to you. You can set up some menu. I will swipe the left, we got a battery, stopwatch, disordered and rise to wake up, vibration and settings. And on right side when I swap, I put the weather, quick weather and my stats for today. If you swipe down, there is a notification, but not now because not any of them. And here we go, we got a all menu. We can go and quickly explain what is here. We got a workout. In workout, we got a outdoor running, walking, freestyle, hiking, outdoor treadmill, jump rope, pool, and more. Because not all is here, but you can set up on application. App is stupid. I can say it's stupid. Xiaomi need to working on this because that app is stupid, not synchronizing automatically. That's the bad point of this smart band. Band is excellent, yeah. Don't nothing wrong about this. Band is brilliant. I can recommend. But app is stupid. Why doesn't work with Zap Life? Or why doesn't work with Zap? Or why doesn't work with some different app which is much better? The Mi Fitness app is stupid. Doesn't synchronize automatically. You need to open and synchronize it. Which is stupid. Doesn't show you detailed statistic. Split kilometer, missing heart rate on kilometer, missing count which one is kilometer is going on, not voice text to read. That means when you're running, you cannot hear. You always need a watch on your watch. Have a look and check your watch to which kilometer you're running, what will be there and stuff like that. Before I use the Mi Band 4 with Zap Life, and there is always show me or tell me, yeah, you run past 1 kilometer and your heart rate is like this and your kilometer is this and time is this and whatever. Yeah, it's always tell you something. This one is quiet. And yeah, that app is absolutely like useless. There is some information, but not as good as should be. Xiaomi need to work on this. But okay, talk more about this. Like I said, I got the outdoor running. When you go to outdoor running, it's the GPS start. That means you just need waiting for the GPS signal. You see location and just wait. You wanna wait. It will be outdoors, outside. Once you catch the signal, I will recommend once you catch the signal, wait for 1 or 2 minutes longer and will be secure your position, and after that it's more accurate GPS. Because if it's just right, okay, ready and you're running, your run will be show maybe after 200 meters or something like that, and you already passed the 200 meters, that is not so accurate and stuff like that. You also put the goal. If you want the open goal, you have a distance. You can run like 5 kilometers or 10 minutes on burn the 300 calories, and after that watch will tell you already you pass this, you can go there. Yeah, and you can also change it for how long you want it, or distance you also want to run more, you can set up, that's not a problem. And after that you just set up your distance, calories or time. Yeah, you can also set up the intervals. You can do the warm up, training, rest, sets, cool down, everything. You can do that here, and watch will be show you. And also you can have the alerts for distance, pace and HR zone. That's what I'm talking about. This is just on the show you. You got the distance, always 1 kilometer distance. Just watch is vibrate and tell you, okay, you passed the 1 kilometer. Before on my Mi Band 4, even up, my phone speak to me, you passed the 1 kilometer, and tell me what's my bit rate and what's my piece as well. You also got a virtual pacer. I'm not sure what's there, but I think it's remember your old track and you can do like virtual race or something like that. Never tried it, but it's there. You can set up your piece and warning for that as well. HR zone, you got which zone you want to run, you can set up as well. And also your high BPM, you can set up as well here. And that's it. And also you got the auto pace. That means if you stop running, watch will be automatically stop, count the time, will be give it pause. Once you start running again, will be actually start again to show you everything. Yeah, that's all about the running. And also you got the same on the walking or freestyle. Every style is got actually some more settings. And if you go to more, you can go to water sports, and you got the all water sports here. Like I said, there is 117 different sports mode. I will be here all day where I will show you everything. Got the activity, because I reset my band just a couple of days ago. There is no any activity now, but yeah, that's never mind. You can see that every activity in the Mi Fitness app doesn't work with Zeb Life. Why? Okay. Now you got a running training here. You got a basic run and walk, advanced run and walk, and also the basic fat burn, endurance, and intervals. All of the training is here. Like example, I put the interval advanced, and you can write here is a walk 3 minutes, sprint 5 minutes, basic 2 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 minutes, sprint 5 minutes, and walk 2 minutes. That's the training. It's for advance, for the intervals, and yeah, you can do and set up quickly. You got all of the statistics here for the all days, your calories, steps, and standing as well. We got a weather for all day, air quality, UV, humidity, sunrise, and stuff like that is all here. It's nice. You can set up your events as well, synchronizing your calendar, and heart rate, SPO rate, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, even breathing monitoring, cycles for women, as well support Alexa, but not in my region. We got also the music, camera, and alarm as well. Also stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find my phone, and help, and settings. Inside the settings, we got a band display, like I said, I showed you already. We got a couple of them. After that, we got the display. You got a brightness automatic one, which is a very nice, working very well. Auto lock 5 seconds, always on display, support as well. That's cover to sleep. Vibration, default and strong. Default is more than enough. We got a DNF off, smart, and all day. Okay, put on smart. Auto detect workout. That means if you're switching on, it's drawing battery quickly, but when you start running or do some exercising, it's automatically will be detected and start your exercising. Apply, or you can icon mode or list mode. I go using the list mode because it's more easy, and you can also actually do it. System, reboot, turn off, or whatever. And about the band, you can see the model, version, software is 2.46, and that's it. Okay, that's all of this. When you're switching on, there is no any physical button. Here's a microphone actually for Alexa, but doesn't work in here. You cannot make a phone call with this watch, but that's never mind. It's not important for me. But support all of the notification, like I said, no notification here. And yeah, and when you unplug first time and you want to switch on, you must plug into the charger, and then it switch on. Show you the QR code. You can scan it, or you can just download the app, Mi Fitness app from the Google Market. Set up, pair. It's easy, going quickly, easy, but just only with that app. Everything you can set up on this app. If you want more something about that app, let me know. I will be doing more tests. I will be also doing more showing how it looks, this GPS accurate and stuff like that. Everything you need to know, let me know, and I will be testing for you. That will be my main partner for now, probably for a couple of months, maybe years or whatever. The last band I got a 4 years. Buy this one just because I lose on one race my old Mi Band 4. I will be actually never upgrade because I like it, but yeah, I upgrade just because I lost my old one. Okay, hopefully you like it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video like this. See you later, alligator, and have a nice day.